Today we got XFly's all-new J-65 twin 40mm EDF business jet. The crazy part is, this is only $179, while the bigger version is over $500. So today we're going to find out if this thing's a hidden gem or a complete waste of your money. This could be one of the best twin EDF jets out there right now. If this even comes close to flying as good as the $500 version, this could be one of the best budget twin EDF jets out there right now. Let's put this thing together and see what it can do. This is literally 4 pieces this whole build and it takes you under 10 minutes. Radiomaster TX16S, 4-cell 2600 in here. Oh, almost blew everything over. Please make sure you like and subscribe for more content, and let's get it out for a flight.